Welcome back. Adam Gower here again. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change to get a guided tour of some of the websites that you can invest in real estate without actually having to buy any, right? And if you do me a favor, go ahead and put that in the comments in a clickable link. I would be most grateful. All right, so today's episode, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the LLC. What on earth does an LLC have to do with investing in real estate? So let's go ahead, take a look at our favorite site here, Small Change. We'll go to the projects and we're going to have a look at all projects and then scan down to, I love the name of this one, Barge, Board and Beams. Isn't that fantastic? And then we'll scan down to about the return. So here we have this idea of an LLC agreement. So why do we have an LLC in a real estate deal? Well, the bottom line is that when you invest in a syndicated real estate deal, you're not actually directly buying the real estate. What happens is that the developer or the sponsor sets up an LLC, a limited liability company. That company buys the real estate. And then what the real estate developer is doing is they are selling to you shares in that company. And then they will have an agreement with the company that will be an operating agreement of some sort that will describe the kind of relationship and kind of fees that they get from the company for operating and executing on the business plan. And in return for your shares in the company, you're going to get certain financial returns. You're going to get your money back. You're going to get preferred return, some split of the profits, etc., etc. All right. So that's why there's an LLC. It is a security, right? That's why real estate crowdfunding is governed by the security laws. So be sure to go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change so that you can get a guided tour of some of the other places where you can go and invest in real estate, as well as some other free goodies. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.